Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing us how we can download and install the Microsoft SQL Server and also SSMS on our system. The link to this site will be attached to the description, so you can be able to click on that. So to download, you just scroll down. When you scroll down, you can see we have the developer or Express. So go for Express, download now. This is the free version for you to download that. Then you see start downloading it. So once you are done, just open it, and so it's asking if I want to allow it to make changes to my device. I would hit yes. So it's getting ready. So go for basic, select basic installation type to install SQL Server database engine feature with default configuration. So I would hit this one and do well to accept. You can choose where you want the file to be on your system. I'm going to leave it at this, and you can see you need a minimum of 6,604 MB free space before you can download. This is the size of it. So I'll hit install and it start installing. So we can see that it has downloaded successfully and is trying to install the SQL Server on our system. So let's wait a bit. I had to pause so I won't waste our time watching the installation process. So alright, so it's done downloading, and the next thing we're going to do now is to install SSMS. So I'm going to hit this install SSMS, and to take us to where we can install it. This is the site for it. Then come here, scroll down, and you see download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 20.2. This is the latest generally available version. Just click on this to download, and you can see it's downloading this right here. Once it's done downloading, so let's wait for it to download. It's done downloading, so I'll just open the file here. To open the file, and you can see this welcome, click install to begin. So install to begin, yes, allow to make changes. So it can say it's trying to install it. So it's showing now that it has then installed it successfully and the setup is also completed. So I'll close this, then come back here and type in SSMS in my search bar here, and I would open it. So once I open it, it's coming up now. So this pops up, and I'm just going to trust the server certificate. Then I would hit connect. So once I connected it, and boom, have a place to work. Alright, so in our next video we'll continue from here. Bye.